So today we're just going to quickly discuss cylinder protrusion and how to measure that. So on a diesel, there are some gas engines that call for this too, you have what's called cylinder protrusion. So if you look, you see that the piston is higher than the deck surface. Okay. For the ALHs, they have 3 different head gaskets available based on this measurement that we're about to take. So what you need is, I forget what this is called, but it's a stand, and you need a dial indicator of some sort. I like the digital ones just because they're easier to read, but I also have the true dial indicators, some nice ones as well. So you can see, well, we've got it zeroed. Okay, we've got it zeroed at the deck surface, and what we're going to do is I'm actually going to rotate the crankshaft back a little bit so that the deck surface is below. You move this, you can actually see, see the number went negative. Okay, it's because it's that much below the deck surface currently. And you advance it back up very carefully until it stops. So that 1.04 millimeters was where it stopped, and it starts going back down. You can see that is how to measure that. You have to measure it so that you can select the correct head gasket. So now I'm going to go ahead and look up the specifications for the head gaskets and show you which one this motor needs to give you an idea of what yours might need. So now this is 13A17 in the Bentley manual, just to get to it faster. So you can see with our measurements, okay, this is the amount of protrusion that you would be measuring. Ours was 1.04, which would put us in the 2-hole realm here. So I need a 2-hole head gasket. Hopefully yours doesn't go out of this range. I would say realistically, if you end up in a weird range like this outside of these specifications, you need to contact your machinist and see what they recommend. And yeah, so another factor in this, so normally you try not to mix this up too much. I would think that if you're truly at 1.11, you could put a 2-hole on there, probably wouldn't cause an issue. Same thing, 1.01, you'd be fine, I think. But yeah, that's just a brief explanation of the projection. They call it piston projection, cylinder protrusion, whatever. You have to measure that so that you know which gasket you need to order. And also, for what it's worth, at that 1.04, so our cylinder head did get machined, and we do have head studs go in it, so it is going to be compressed. It is probably going to end up getting closer to that number, so it shouldn't affect our startups or anything like that. If for some reason you put the wrong gasket and it's too big, you're going to have a lot of smoke on startup. It's going to have lower compression. It's not going to be a very good build. So getting this right is very important. Hope this helps. Pretty soon, I guess I'll do a nice video on maybe like a more mass assembly with some music in there. We'll see. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.